So hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you that how you will take class in Google Jamboard means math class specially. I'm going to show you or any other subjects except drawing. Okay, so let's start. So first you will refresh your computer, go to Google Chrome. So first you will open the Google Jamboard. Okay, wait. Now type here Drive or go to your Google Drive. Change your account if needed. Okay, so now you want to take class. So you click in this plus icon, then more. And you can tap Google Jamboard. Okay. So after you open a Jamboard, just if you take class in Zoom, just share screen and go to this Zoom. Okay, means share this screen on Zoom, or if you are taking in Google Meet, I will show you in another video, or you can share and go here. Okay, so now I will show you that how you will take class over maths. So you will just click here, then you can type through here such as CW. You can type in front of them like this dot. Okay, CW. Then again type here today's date. Today's 8 slash 21 slash 8 slash 2021. Okay, you can type today's date and place here corner. So this is like a classwork open to you. It's very easy. So now today exercise number 1. Question number, you can give brackets. Question number 1. It sometimes 1. So now you can enter and type the question such as one apple cost 50 taka or $50. $50. If you make this plot, okay, $50, find 20 apples cost. Okay, so this is our question ready. So now you will go click enter and go down. Here you will type that one apple equals to $50. Okay, so now suppose if you don't want to type like this, you can write by clicking here. You will choose a pen or choose this highlighter and any of the color and highlight the text if you want. Erase it. It's bad. Okay, click this highlighter in this black, and now I want to write one apple equals to 50 taka. So you can erase with this. Go to this erase option. So just you type that 20 apple. You need to practice this type of things. 20 equals to, okay, if you use it in tab, it will be best. You will erase this. Okay, like this you can type, but I will suggest type like here. Okay, so that students can understand. Just click here to select. So you can type here easily. So 20 apples cost equals to 50 into 20. Okay, 50 into 20. So you can type like this. If you don't find NT, then into 20. Okay, you can insert these types of signs in between the writings also. If it is geometry class, you can insert any of the shapes you want. Triangle or square. You want which type of, you can take classes like this. Okay, you can rotate it also. Rotate if you want. Suppose this is, okay, this is our first math. Then you click here to do this second math. So this here you will find. Now question number 2, you can give like this, and up to 20 you will get here. Or if you want to clear this, just click clear frame. Now second math will be about graph. So how you will just click set background to this one. Okay, you can give any of the background or upload an image. This one. So I want a graph. So how you will do graph here? Okay. So just draw a line here. So graph is basically over your hand. So now you will just take a shape of square. If you take this one, you can make here the bar at a straight. Okay. Delete it and clear the frame. Just here and here. Now you can insert a graph such as this. You did always like this. You can't change it. So for you can draw a graph. Clicking square, making such as this line. And then to insert here, just right click and then duplicate. Make a duplicate copy and just make this long. So look, all these shapes will be equal. You can draw a graph like this or clear the frame. You can undo also if you make mistakes. Okay, so like this you can take class. Suppose here you want to see that follow this rule. Important, so click this sticky note option. Make it any color you want, such as this one. I will type here remember. Remember, follow this math. Sorry. Okay, it's became math. Say. Okay, remember, follow this math. You can insert any here or get drawings inside it. And inside it, you can color it by clicking here, any color. Okay, this one is, you can give a border color 1. Okay, so now like this you can take class on a Jamboard. If you want equations, then also give the text. Type here x plus y equals to question mark. Okay, like this you can also insert equations by typing. Okay, so like this you can take class on a Jamboard. So suppose you need to make this more large. Click here. Click here. Then 25%, it's so small. 100% large. Okay, I will get 50%. No, fit 54%. Okay, it's like this. You can take class on Google Jamboard. But if you want to show something here, click here laser, and suppose this is the triangle you will draw now. This. this is our equation. Like this you can do this. Okay, like this you can do this. So no more today, but I want to show you that you can change the markers length. Suppose you give this line, you want to erase it, go to the eraser, erase this like this, or undo it. Undo will be easier. So no more today, and thanks for watching my video, and it will automatically be saved, and the next day you can also edit here or you can delete it. Thanks for watching. Bye.